Welcome to Juicy Cars. My name is Eric, and today we are going for a night POV test drive on this 2022 Chevy Bolt EUV. But before we do that, how about we take a look at the exterior of this electric SUV? Are you honking at me? No. Awesome. So what are we going to do in this night POV test drive? Well, we're going to test these headlights, the high beams and the automatic high beams, and see how well they illuminate the road up ahead. And as always, we are also going for an emergency braking test, meaning at 60 kilometers an hour, 37 miles an hour, we're going to stomp on those brakes and see how quickly the Bolt can stop itself in these snowy, wintry conditions. But as always, of course, in these POV test drives, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to stay quiet for the most time so you actually get the chance to see and hear how it is to drive it out of the first person. But if you want to hear all my thoughts on this Bolt EUV, click in the top right hand corner for my full review. We talk about everything from the interior to the exterior. Of course, we're going to drive it and compare it to the competitors out on the market. With that being said, I would say we hop back in because it is nice and warm in here, unlike outside. Turn this off, but we're gonna leave. No, come on, middle. Thank you. Gonna leave one lane on. Heated seats maximum, please. Heated steering wheel. Let's turn up the heat just a tiny bit so we have it a bit warmer. And I'd say we get going. Front wheel drive only, but proper winter tires take care of these situations without an issue. Digital rearview mirror, and to turn on the high beams, the automatic ones, just push this little button on the left side, and the automatic high beams are enabled. With that, I'm just going to stay quiet for a little while and let you enjoy the drive. Automatic high beams are on and turn off fairly quickly. Kind of surprised that they don't turn on right now, the automatic high beams, but they worked very well previously. So a quick comparison of high beams versus no high beams. So obviously high beams, headlights, high beams, headlights, high beams. Turn on the automatic high beams and let's go prepare for our emergency braking test. And let's stomp on the brakes. Okay, that felt very solid. Even though the conditions aren't great, I tried to find a spot that isn't too icy or snowy. But yeah, did a good job. Let's turn off this light though, just for a bit more of a natural perspective for you. There they are. Okay, that shall conclude tonight's night POV test drive. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, consider subscribing because we upload reviews and POV test drives pretty much every single week about all sorts of cars. And like I said, if you want to hear my thoughts about this Chevy Bolt, make sure to click on your screen right now for my full review. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.